Good morning, I'm Daniela, Marketing Manager of the T-Trade Group. Today I will tell you about our print and apply Linerless TTP 150 top. First of all, what is Linerless technology? Let's start with how a label is made. A label is made up of a support on which I write. This support, which is normally paper, is my label. In turn, the label is coated with adhesive on one side in order to be applied. The label with adhesive, in order to be removed and used, is placed on a continuous material, called silicone paper or liner, which allows it to be easily detached, without tearing. Now, let's try to understand what the market for labels is in the world and what it takes to produce them. Let's start by saying that for the global need for labels, about 48 million trees need to be cut down every year, which will provide me with about 40 billion square meters of paper. But to produce these labels in the world, you also need 144 billion megajoules of energy, 35 billion liters of water, and 6 billion kilograms of CO2 equivalent will be emitted into the atmosphere. In addition to all this, the siliconized paper, or liner, produced for the labels, must be disposed of in landfills as special waste. The silicone paper that must be disposed of in landfills every year is equal to an area equivalent to 5.7 million football fields. Then, 12 years ago, the T-Trade Group, which has always developed and produced eco-sustainable solutions for printing, began to ask itself if something could be done to help the Earth. The answer was yes. And the answer was to adopt in the world of adhesive labels a technology that eliminated at least 50% of the paper, and more precisely, to be able to no longer use silicone paper, hence the Linerless technology. After a long research and development process, today we present to the world market the print and apply Linerless solution, TTP 150 top. TTP 150 top completely eliminates the generation of waste, with multiple advantages. It has a positive impact on the environment and eliminates the need to allocate space for the storage of special waste. TTP 150 top operates with reels of labels without liner with a diameter of up to 300 mm equal to over 900 meters, with a capacity, in printing of the number of labels, 3-4 times greater than traditional label reels. If I need labels with different lengths, with a traditional system it is necessary to stop the machine and change the reel of the labels. With TTP 150 top it is possible to carry out this operation simply by changing the settings. TTP 150 top is an Industry 4.0 certified technology and can communicate or, if necessary, be interrogated remotely to obtain information on predictive maintenance, environmental impact and much more. TTP 150 top is developed and produced in Italy, both in the hardware part and in the firmware and software part. T-Trade Group is one of the few companies in the world that develops and manufactures all the components of its printing solutions. The ease of use that the interactive touchscreen allows and the patented molecular separation technology make the TTP 150 top a unique print and apply for simplicity and with practically no maintenance. TTP 150 top can use various types of linerless material, for example polypropylene or thermal paper, all completely recyclable or even biodegradable materials. But TTP 150 top has also been conceived as a digital solution for security and traceability. One of our patents, also present on TTP 150 top, is the TTP Safe system. When I print my label, if I want, my TTP 150 top also generates, in a totally autonomous way, a whole series of information such as, for example, the sender, the recipient, the content, the expiry date, by printing a QR code matrix. At this point the intelligence residing in the machine stamps and certifies the package. My recipient receives the information relating to his order in real time, thus providing precise shipment traceability and much more. TTP 150 top a digital ecosystem to think about the labels of the future. Thanks for your attention.